Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Obunaya Uchenna. So if you're new to the channel, here I talk about building an online business, so websites, funnels, all right, stuff like that. So I want to encourage you to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. So here's what I want to do right now. Now in this video, I'm trying to see how fast I can build a simple lead, a simple squeeze funnel. All right, so if you need to do all the funnels, there's Clickfunnels, there's also system.io, and then there are some other funnel softwares, right? But so far I've come to love Clickfunnels, so I'm just going to show you how to build a simple squeeze funnel in less than 10 minutes. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first things first, I'm logged into my Clickfunnels account, and over here I'll click on build a funnel. So there are two ways to go about this, right? You could go through the cookbook, or you go through the classic. All right, but I prefer this cookbook. So this is the cookbook. I prefer this method to using the classic funnel builder method. All right, so just gonna close this out, and now let's say this is a squeeze funnel for say professional services. Okay, so just gonna click on professional services, and so you can see you can make this for an author, if you're a speaker, a coach, consultant, retail, e-commerce, B2B, network marketing, others. And of course, so this depends on what you're trying to achieve with the funnel. So if you're trying to generate leads or sell a product or create an event, just so over here we can see that there are tons of different funnels. It's a daily dip funnel, it's a bridge funnel. By the way, this is perfect if you are trying to create an affiliate, promote an affiliate product. Okay, so if you have an auto webinar, this is the funnel for you. Demo webinar funnel, squeeze page funnel, ask campaign, application funnel, survey funnel. So I'm going to be creating funnels templates, all right, around all of this. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to share a link with you. On that link, you're going to download all my funnels for free. So I'll be sharing all the funnels I design for free, and you can download them for free. Okay, so now we want to, here's our squeeze page funnel. Click here, and once that is loaded, this is pretty quick. All right, so it's simple. We want to get leads for our business, and this is gonna have two pages, so the squeeze page and the thank you page. All right, so let me see. So these are templates that are available right now, and let's say I would go with okay, let's say I go with this. Right, so I've clicked on it right now, and it's going to load up. All right, so this is what it looks like. Pretty simple on the thank you page. Okay, so over here I'll click on get funnel, so it's going to activate this funnel in my account, and we can start making our adjustments. And all right, okay, so here we are. Just head over here and click on edit page. Okay, so let's say for instance I have a picture. See, this is going to be a free report. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. If you don't have one, you could get PLR ebooks. Okay, so you could use that for your business. All right, it's free. Head over here. It's free. Okay, I've gotten a download of the book. This is it right here, but I came up with a little challenge. The book has so this is what the cover looks like. So I don't want this. I want to remove the background from this. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to head over to remove.bg and remove that background. Okay, so yeah, it's loaded up. We simply drag the image from here and then we drop it right in the website remove.bg. I'm going to leave a link for you in the comment section so you can get resources I used to make this. Okay, so download. Yeah, so it's currently downloading, and perfect, we've got that. Let's call it Instagram. Save. Right, so we close this out and we close this out and we close this out. So back to our quiz page. Okay, so here we need a curiosity based headline. I'll call this, all right, so I call this discover the secrets to gaining 10,000 clicks to your website no matter what you sell. Okay, link clicks from Instagram. In 30 days. All right, so this, then we need to add an element here. Okay, so click this out. So I want to add an image. Scroll down here. Yep, so this is the image. Click inside, and here we want to upload. So drag this. So we simply upload the ebook cover we just made a few moments ago, and once that is done, we simply highlight, yep, and click on here to add the image. Okay, let's see how this looks like. Okay, no, this should go up, up, up. Yep, yeah. Okay, and so I don't like this font here, over here, and so settings, Roboto. No, I don't like Roboto. Prefer say Poppins. Perfect. And Libre. And I would love add this with Libre Baskerville. Yep, so that is it. Okay, all right, I want to change this button, change the color. Change the color to, yeah. So discover the secrets to getting 10,000 clicks from Instagram in 30 days to your website, no matter what you sell. So I love, okay, I love that. So limited downloads available. Trying to add some little scarcity into this. So your email address here. Go to step 2. So we save this. So once we've saved this, we need to exit to get over to the thank you page. Yeah, so this is the thank you page. Okay, so click down. So by the way, big secret, I've discovered that the funnels I designed, the best thing to use on your thank you page, don't let people go. All right, don't say thank you for your purchase, something like that. So thank them, but let them know that there's something left, for them to do. The next step. All right, so I'm going to remove all of this. I don't want this. Delete it. And I don't want this section. I don't want this too. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You are not done. So we're going to say wait. Watch the video to find out what to do next. Alright, so just to change this to, sorry, so we change this to Poppins and this to Libre Baskerville. Yep. Alright, so that's it. So here we add the video, and I don't want this, so yeah. And then we save, right? So this is a very simple way to create a very simple squeeze page. So over here, you could add so if you had an upsell, all right, you could add a button for them to go probably see your webinar or check out a new product you have. So there's this, yeah. So I want this to Poppins. Right size. Want to make this bigger. Okay, so just simply increase the font size. Yep, like so. All right, and then we save. Okay, so this is not. It says we've not set the action. So you click on this set action. So this could be where we, so they either go to submit a form, or you could just put a link to a website here, https so www dot say get my say save my seat, save my business.com /webinar. So I don't know, this is not so if you have that, yep, so you simply click out here and you save this. All right, so that's basically how you create a simple squeeze funnel. So let's head back and do some little reviews. All right, now if you're wondering what to do about how to get people to receive the the free reports or free video or checklist or whatever it is that you're using as your lead magnet. So that's where email comes in. Okay, so we're going to have to integrate your email service provider, all right, into your funnel. So yeah, there's this page. Let me find it. Settings here. So this was a funnel, and we've looked at the funnel. All right, so the next thing we want to do is want to just go over some settings for it. All right, and we do that, we click on settings here. All right, now here are some settings that we could work on. First, we could name funnel. We could change the name. All right, we could change the path. We could change the favicon URL. So this is your favicon. So you can see, okay, you can't see this right now. Your favicon is the little object or image that appears beside your web address, when you're browsing. Okay, and to add that is pretty simple. You just simply copy, upload the favicon to your funnel assets. All right, copy the path, and then paste it here, your favorite favicon URL. That's simply that I'll probably do that in the next video. All right, so now here for email. All right, so this is a blog post where Clickfunnels mentioned a list of autoresponder integrations that you could use. So there are several lots of them. All right, so there's Active Campaign, there's Aweber, there's Constant Contact, there's ConvertKit, Drip, Getresponse, HubSpot, Keep, Amadmini, MailChimp, Market, Hero, Entreport, Sendlane. All right, and if you're wondering which one to use, my favorite is Getresponse. Okay, so especially if you are using the basic 97 bulk account package, all right, you want to use Getresponse. Okay, I'm going to leave a link for you also down below, a link to read this article and to also see how to integrate each of the email autoresponders the platforms, into your Clickfunnels account, and also a link to get a free trial of Getresponse if you've not got that yet. So now I'm going to share this funnel with you. So if you want this, you could just simply click on the link below and let me know where to send you a cloned copy of